Okay, there is something called optimization, there is something called marketing. Okay, so we are going to discuss about what is optimization. We discussed about what is a social media platform and what is a search engine platform, and we discussed about what is optimization. The action of making the best or most effective use of a situation or a resource is called optimization. Okay, search engines and social media are two different resources we have to use for marketing our product or businesses. Okay, when you learn to use the best use of the search engine and the social media platform, we call them as search engine optimization and social media optimization. Okay, now we will better understand the concept of optimization, still, I mean, in depth. Okay, making the best use or effective use of a product or a service. I will give you a couple of examples. Okay, which is common example that I give across all the people in my sessions. Okay, it's not something new. I'm going to give it to you, but because you are listening to this one for the first time, you will be understanding it still better. Okay, now whenever I want to loan money from somebody, if I want to get money from somebody, I always approach my Muslim friends. You know why? Any idea?
Yes, because they know you for a very long period of time. There has been a rapport and a relationship building is always there. So it will be certainly help because the goodwill and the image has already been between you and your friends as compared to any outsider. So it is certainly going to help you to borrow the money much more quickly as compared to if you take from banks or from any other outside persons.
Okay, but the deal is, okay, the deal is, why should I have to buy it only from Muslim friends?
That I don't know.
The reason because in Quran, their Bible, their holy book, right? It is
Yes.
mentioned that you are not supposed to collect interest from people. Okay, their principle is they do not take somebody else's work for granted. They always give salary for somebody else's work. Okay, okay, they don't, basically, you know take others effort for free. That's the reason. Okay, now when I take loan from those people, it is okay if I repay the same principal which I got. I am not required to pay the interest. Okay, you are getting a point.
Yes, exactly.
what i did
That means,
I, what I did, I optimized my Muslim friends. Okay. Okay, number one. And then another thing is, there is a type of fish called pedicure fish. Pedicure fish. Okay, heard about this earlier somewhere? Pedicure fish.
uh, what fish?
Pedicure fish. Okay,
I have to search through.
okay.
Okay.
I will show you. I will show you the pedicure fish. Can you see here? Red gara. It's in black in color, but we call it as red gara. Okay, right. Can you see the image here?
Okay.
Okay. Once you grow this in your home, just put your legs and hands inside. It will only eat the dead cells of your body. Okay.
Okay.
It will eat only the dead cells. It will not eat the live cells. Okay, any cell that is dead only it will eat. It will not eat the live cells. But if you take any other fish, they will eat your complete flesh, man. Be careful. Okay, but
Okay.
this fish alone eats only the dead part of your foot. You are getting a point. Okay,
Yes.
this alone eats only the dead part of your foot or your finger. Now, after it eats that, your legs looks very cute. That is called pedicure. For example, this is a foot that is done after pedicure. Okay, right? So this is basically the dead cell. So what they do, this feeds the, I mean, fish. These fishes have a tendency to eat only dead cells. Okay, now, because of
Okay.
which we use this one for the treatment purposes, medicinal purposes, to eat the dead cells in our legs and hands for beauty purposes. What are we doing? This fish has got a natural property of eating the dead cells. Okay, now we take
Okay.
it as an advantage for beauty purposes. Correct.
Okay.
This is one. And then another concept is, and another example is, have you heard about leech? You know leech?
No, I have not.
No.
No.
Okay. So have you watched this movie Aparajit? Right, in Hindi. Okay.
No, I have not.
Tamil we have onion. Okay. Anyway, now so this is an insect which has the property of
Okay.
sucking blood from your body without causing pain.
Okay.
Okay. The nature of this insect is to suck blood from the body. So when it sucks blood, okay, you won't feel the pain. Okay. Now what
Yeah,
happens?
I think I have heard from my mom.
Okay. Okay. So now what we do here is in treatments in Siddha and other Vedic treatment plans, wherever there is an infected part in the human body, na blood, there is bad blood being accumulated, correct? Right?
Yes.
They leave this insect on top of the affected area. This insect will make a hole, it will suck the blood without causing pain. So
Okay.
once it sucks the bad blood, they will remove it and they will drop 2 to 3 more insects. Okay. So until the complete bad blood is being sucked. Now what happens?
Okay.
The property of the insect is to suck blood without causing pain. Correct. Now what we do, because this insect has this property, we are taking it as advantage in a medicinal industry. Make sense? So it has a property of sucking blood without causing pain. That fish has got a property of eating only the dead cells. You're getting your point? So what
Yes.
are we actually doing? We are taking advantage of the product which is already available in the nature without spending money on research, development, product, manufacturing, medicines, and all other stuff. Make sense?
Okay.
Okay. So without spending medicines and products and all other stuff, okay, we can easily take advantage. The same way we have taken advantage of a pedicure fish, we have taken advantage of a leech therapy, correct? Same way by understanding, okay, by understanding the property of a search engine and property of a social media platform, okay, by understanding the property of a search engine and the property of a social media platform, okay, what are we going to understand? We are going to take the advantage of the same content to grow our business. You getting my point?
Yes.
Okay. Now you know very well this guy Amal Kumar is going to teach you the right way. Okay, you come to know that he is a uh, bottom to the ground person. Okay, bottom to the earth. He wants to help you a lot in several ways. Now you learned the art of optimizing me instead of going to a very big institute.
Yes.
Correct. So we take advantage of something. Okay, that's what I'm trying to say. Okay, I can also add an image of a pedicure fish. Okay, I like this image just because of the nail paint color. So cute.
Okay.
Okay. Now, so when we take advantage of these things, a pedicure fish or leech therapy, we get some benefits. Correct. Okay. The same way, when you take a product called search engine, what is the nature of a search engine platform? The nature of a search engine platform is to deliver highly relevant and most useful information to the user. Am I right?
Exactly. And within a few seconds.
Yeah, within a few seconds. Okay, that is the nature of a search engine spider. That is how a search engine is. Now, the search engine will deliver information, highly relevant, useful information to the user in a shorter period of time. Now, when I take advantage of a search engine platform like this, okay, when I take advantage of the search engine platform, I am going to gain business for me. You are getting a point?
Exactly.
Right? I create content. So the search engine is completely dependent on the keyword that is used by the user to search. Correct?
Correct.
Right? Whatever the keyword that you feed or you input, Okay, that is what is being used to show you the results. Yes or no?
Yes,
Now,
exactly.
what I'm going to do is I'm trying to understand what kind of keywords those people search online, and I will be creating content around those topics what people are searching for,
Okay.
and they end up visiting my website,
Yes, exactly.
and I convert them into my leads. They talk to me, they grow my business, and I convert them into my leads. You're getting a point?
Correct.
Right?
Exactly.
So this is what is search engine is. Search engine is completely like people will search for something. Whenever people are searching for something, they have a very high demand. So the probability of people getting converted into my customer is very high. Okay. Now,
Okay.
when I take social media is a collection or a network of people profile information. I can have a data of people who are married, who are single, who are divorcee, who are engaged, who are about to get married, who are married in last 3 months. Okay, I can see which are all the institutes that people studied, which organizations they are doing. So make sense? Okay, so they do all these stuff and all the product promotion and other stuff in social media platforms. And if I want to brand my business, show it to people, let me say if I want to target the youngest crowd in the internet platform, I will prefer social media. You're getting a point?
Exactly.
Right? I prefer social media. Now, search engine has got a property of understanding people's requirement by using a keywords. Social media has got a property of connecting with people who are like-minded. Okay. Now, if I take advantage of a search engine, we call it as a search engine optimization because search engine has got some of its features. Okay, right? When you take advantage of social media platforms, we call it as social media optimization. So, in the place of optimization, I can replace the word. Okay, I can replace the word advantage. You're getting my point?
Yes.
Right? I can replace the word advantage because I take the advantage of a product or a services that is available naturally. They are not artificial. Okay,
Okay.
naturally. So those type of visitors who are coming to our website, those people are called organic visitors. You are getting a point? Okay.
No,
Those
no,
type
sir.
of
No, sir. If you could please kindly repeat in what kind of visitors you said?
organic visitors.
Argronic.
Organic. ORGANIC visitors. Have you heard about organic vegetables?
Yes.
The same way is organic visitor. How does an organic vegetable is grown? It is grown naturally without adding any chemicals or fertilizers. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. The
Okay.
same way, when you regularly publish content on your website on a particular topic or a industry, correct? When you regularly publish a website content on a particular topic or industry, naturally people will explore your website content. You are getting a point,
Yes.
right? They explore your website content and they come to your website without spending any money, and you also drive visitors without spending any money.
Yes.
Okay, we call this type of visitors coming to our website as organic visitors. The natural method of driving visitors to the website is called organic visitors. You are getting a point?
Yes.
So organic visitors. This is what everybody needs. Because when you start receiving visitors naturally, you will tend to see visitors coming again and again. We get recurring visitors naturally. Okay. We get recurring visitors coming to our website when we follow the organic methods of driving traffic to a website.
Okay. This is for the search engine you are discussing
Yes.
now.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Now, even in
Mhm.
social media platform, we have optimization practices to drive visitors. Okay, so we'll be discussing about that one in the social media optimization topics and other stuff. Make sense?
Yes,
Okay,
sure.
so this is basically organic. Okay, but I can show you example of organic technique, one more organic technique, right? Let me say you want 1 kg of tomato. Okay,
Yes.
then you
Okay.
sow the seeds in your land and start nurturing it.
Okay. Recording visitors
You
to
start nurturing
okay.
it daily, correct?
You sow the seeds in the land, be put around and start nurturing it daily. Yes, correct.
Okay. Now, what do you do basically to nurture it? You actually, number one, sow the seed, correct? Right? You just
Correct.
put the seed. Next, you sprinkle some water, correct?
Correct.
Sprinkle some water. Expose to sunlight.
Correct.
The next thing is like save it or secure it. Save or secure it. Which means I can call it as protect it from external predators. Protect from predators, correct? Like you got a goat will
Yes.
come and eat it, cow will come and eat it, correct? Right.
Correct.
You gotta protect it. Okay. Now what you
Yes.
need to do daily, except sowing the seed, what you need to do? You have to sprinkle water on daily basis, expose to sunlight on daily basis, and protect the plant on daily basis. Correct.
Correct.
You continuously do it in your free time. Don't do it as a primary job. Okay. Right. Continuously do it in your free time. When you do this continuously, consistently for 2 to 3 months, what do you
Yes,
get?
sir. Move along.
You get around 1 kg of tomatoes, correct?
Correct.
1 kg of tomatoes. Now the deal is, if you want to grow tomato fruit organically, correct?
Okay.
So tomato fruit organically, if you want to grow, okay. Obviously, this is what the best practices you are supposed to follow. Very simple as that. And you need to follow it only in your free time. You don't need to be, primary person of, cultivating tomatoes. Agreeing a point? Right.
Yes.
So daily basis, what you need to do? You simply have to, okay, you simply have to nurture it on daily basis. 2 to 3 months, you will get 1 kg of tomatoes on your home. And do you think you will have to pay money to get these tomatoes? Yes or no?
Some money is required, obviously.
But do you need to pay money to get these products to your home because you cultivated this? Do you think you have to pay
Yes.
money?
Uh, I think yes, to some extent, because in certain cases, some fertilizers, some pesticides are also required to protect the plant.
No. Pesticides and fertilizers, when added, it is not organic. Remember,
Okay, in organic means you are exactly okay. Okay, I got it.
it's a
No, then
natural.
in that case, it is a natural. No, no money is
No
required.
one is required, but you get the fruit, right?
Yes,
Okay. This is what we call it in SEO. Okay. Now you see, the fruit is basically organic in nature. It takes minimum 2 to 3 months time, correct?
correct,
And you need to do some activities regularly. If you miss a day or two, automatically the plant will die. Okay, right? Protect your website.
correct,
Protect your website from hacking. The same thing is what happens to the tomato plant. Protect your website. Protect your tomato plant from stealing or from it's being killed, correct? Now you do
correct,
this consistently for 2 to 3 months, you get the output. The same way, you create a website that is like sowing a seed, create a content around the topic on daily basis, okay? Continuously in 2 to 3 months, you will have people related to your website content coming down and reading about your content on a regular basis. Make sense?
okay,
Okay,
Yes.
you will have people coming and talking or searching about this product or services on a regular basis. Now those kind of visitors who are coming to your website by exploring your content are called organic visitors. Okay,
Okay.
the organic visitor process will take time. It will take 2 to 3 months, even 6 months. At times it may even take a year or so to develop your content.
Okay.
Okay, okay, 2 to 3 months. Okay, and protect your website from hacking. Okay, all the stuff, so save it. So now what happens, you drive visitors to your website in an organic method. Okay, that is what we call the search engine optimization technique. When somebody knows there is a person named Ramadha Kumar,
Okay.
he offers digital marketing training, what people does, they started searching. Okay, Ramadha Kumar digital marketing training, on the search online like this. Now Google is going to take my website and show it to them. Hey, you know what, this guy is offering digital marketing training, correct? Now when they search like this, click and come to my website, I don't need to pay any money. All I need to do is like click or create content around the topic which I am talking about, correct? Right?
Correct.
And publish it in the website. When people search in Google, they explore my website, they come to my website. I have a pop-up window, they connect with me. I have a chat window, they connect with me, and I get their details, and this is how I grow my lead generation process. Correct?
Okay.
This is
Correct. Yes.
organic in nature. Okay, this type of promotion or the content is basically called organic in nature, where people will explore my product, content, or services naturally. You're getting a point? Okay,
Yes.
they will explore my product or services in the natural method. This is what we call it as organic practices. Create a content or a website or topic, that is we call it as organic practices. Correct?
Correct.
Now, when it comes to marketing, marketing is always immediate in nature. Okay, instant. Okay, the same tomatoes, you can get 1 kg of tomato in 5 minutes just by going to a marketing stall. You go to a supermarket, buy half a kg or 1 kg of tomato, you pay 20 rupees, come back. Correct?
Correct.
Right? But when it comes to buying your tomatoes from your market, every time you buy a tomato, you have to pay money to the shop owner. Okay.
Correct.
When you don't have money, you cannot buy the product. So the same thing is applicable for a business. When you drive visitors using paid techniques, when you drive visitors to your website using paid techniques or advertisement campaigns, the visitors will visit your website only when you have your advertisement campaigns that are live. Once the advertisement campaigns are stopped, your visitors will drop. You're getting a point,
Yes, exactly.
right?
Because since it's a paid service. Yes.
So once your advertisement stops, okay, now think like this. Which is better? Driving organic visitors is better or driving paid visitors is better?
Now it will simply depend upon the mentality of the consumer. Now everything, according to me, what comes in a very slow and steady manner will stay fixed to you. And the thing which is going to come in a very quick manner, generally it is going to lose its importance.
Okay, so let us not talk about philosophy and all. Let me come directly to the point. Okay, which one you prefer, organic traffic or paid traffic?
Organic traffic is okay, but paid traffic will be much more highly beneficial because it will help me to drive the consumers to much more. It will certainly enable the consumers to reach more and certainly acquire more leads and generate much more business.
Okay, does that mean that organic methods will not drive more leads? It will not give you business.
Yes, it is going to, but it is going to take some time as compared to the unorganic leads.
So you'll be
It is a
keeps
time.
so you'll be keep spending money every now and then, correct?
Yes,
Okay, so you prefer marketing technique, correct?
yes,
So if money is not a constraint, you can prefer marketing technique. Okay.
okay,
If money is not a constraint, you can prefer marketing technique. The reason because you have money, you can invest.
yes.
What if You want to make money without money. What do?
Didn't get.
I invested 10 years of my time to learn digital marketing without spending money for somebody. Correct?
Okay.
10
Yes.
years. 10 years, gentlemen. 2005 to 2015. Okay. 2005
Okay.
is when I came to know about internet. 2015 is when I decided to become a professional in the digital marketing industry. Okay.
Okay.
Right. 10 years of continuous ongoing research and education, all the process has made me a professional in the industry. Now, I invested 10 years of time. I did not invest even 100 rupees of money. Okay.
Okay.
Now, what if a person like me who is from a very poor family who can't even afford to go for a browsing center, correct, to start something on his own career in digital marketing industry? Okay, which one I will prefer? Should I go for organic or paid?
No, it is better to go for organic.
Organic. That's what I did. Are you getting a point?
Yes.
Right. I did active participation on Quora. I did active participation on YouTube. I did active participation on Facebook and other platforms wherever I go. That is how I connect with people. I don't spend money. I drive organic traffic to my website. They connect with me. I speak with them, understand their requirements. That's how I grow my business. Okay.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
Now marketing is like if I already have 6 to 7 crores of money lying down in my bank account, and I have no problem in investing in some 10 lakh rupees on branding Amado Kumar. Okay, digital marketing trainer Amado Kumar. I can brand, correct? Okay. Now, businesses prefer organic technique. You're getting your point?
Okay.
Because you take a real estate based industry, the kind of competition that we have for real estate based businesses are very huge. You have to spend in lakhs and lakhs of rupees to sell a product worth rupees crores and crores of rupees. Okay. Now,
Okay.
to sell a product which is 1 or 2 crore rupees worth, if you get a lead without spending money, are you happy?
Yes, obviously.
This is what lots of people does. Okay, you go online, start searching about 2 BHK flats, 2 BHK flat in, let me say, Chennai
Okay.
for rent. Okay, now you see Magic Bricks 99acres.com are coming organically. They are not showing advertisement. Okay, advertisement means it will say ad nearby. Have you noticed that?
No, I have not
Okay,
noticed that.
if you look into this one at the bottom, let us see. Okay, I think no, it is not showing an advertisement here. Okay, advertisement will generally show as ad. For example, let me say digital marketing training, digital marketing training in Chennai, digital marketing course in Chennai. Okay, and again, it is not showing any advertisements here. I think it shows me organic results. Okay, it is still loading. Still loading, 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 loading. Okay, come on, I'll give you 50 paise extra. Come on, faster. No? Okay, 1 rupee extra. Still you're not loading. 1 rupee deal is okay. Great. Okay. Now, do you see these are organic results? Okay, they don't pay money. Okay, come to the bottom at the end and let us see. Okay, come to the bottom and end, and if you see, my bad luck, not even single advertisement is showing. Okay, okay. So in general, ads. Okay, Google Ads. Google Ads in SERP, search engine results page. When I go Google it, I can look at those images. Okay. Generally, you might have seen that, but you should have not. You have not noticed it, in my opinion.
Okay.
Okay. Right. You never realize there is advertisement and organic practices. Okay. So look at this particular image, which I'm going to expand right now. Okay, so whenever you go over and search something in Google, okay, you can see something like ad, 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 ad. Okay, right? Maybe a product that you try to buy online, other stuff. These are all basically advertisement. Make sense?
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Now those results that comes without the label of ad, they are called organic results. Can you see? There is no label called ad here. See that?
Okay.
Which means when somebody is searching for 2 BHK flats in Chennai for rent, Magic Bricks and 19acres.com receive visitors for free, man, without spending money. Correct?
Okay.
Right? That's how it is. So people generally prefer organic traffic over paid traffic, provided if money is not a constraint. Okay, if spending money is not your constraint, you can go for marketing technique. Okay, in a nutshell, I can tell you, right, immediate results for immediate results for businesses, okay, prefer social media and search engine paid techniques. Okay,
Okay.
if you want to have immediate result, for example, you want to have a half kg of tomatoes, immediately go to a shop, buy it. Please don't try to grow the plant now. You won't get it in half an hour. Okay. Right. For immediate results for businesses, prefer social media and search engine paid techniques. You have to pay money to Google and social media platforms like Facebook to show your advertisement to people. Okay. For immediate results for businesses, prefer social media and the search engine paid techniques. Okay. For slow and steady recurring results for the business, invest time and knowledge in organic practices. Okay, make sense? Okay, organic practices. That is it from our side. Okay, now slow and steady business results are organic in nature. I mean, organic results are slow and steady in nature. Okay, and paid techniques are always immediate in nature. This is what you need to understand. Make sense?
Correct.
Okay, so we have understood about two concepts. One is search engine and another one is social media. And optimization practices in search engine are the set of best practices that helps visitors to come to our website on organic practices. Okay, paid techniques are something where we pay money to the service providers like Google and Facebook, and we tell them to display my advertisement to the respective people who are interested about the topic or the subject. You getting point?
Yes.
You can raise any doubts if you have right now. We will continue with the next topic from the tomorrow session. Okay.
Okay. No issue.
Okay. Okay, gentlemen. Thank you so much.